After dealing with a black screen on my Windows PC myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. This video provides the ultimate guide to fix no video display black screen error on Windows PC. The first method focuses on your graphics drivers. Sometimes corrupted or outdated display drivers prevent your computer from sending video signals to your monitor. Updating these drivers ensures your operating system has the correct instructions to communicate with your graphics hardware, making your screen light up again. Next, we have the power cycle or hard reset. This simple action drains any residual electrical charge from your computer's components, which can often resolve temporary hardware glitches or memory conflicts that cause the black screen. It's like giving your PC a fresh start. The third approach involves using startup repair or safe mode. When your Windows PC fails to boot normally, accessing these special recovery options allows the system to diagnose and repair boot-related issues, or lets you start Windows with only essential programs, helping you pinpoint if a software conflict is causing the display problem. Finally, checking hardware connections is crucial. Loose or faulty cables, especially the video cable connecting your PC to the monitor, are a very common cause of no display. Ensuring all connections are secure and functional can immediately restore your video output, as it directly impacts the physical path of the video signal